Hey guys, how's it going? I'm out here at my dad's today. I'm gonna be doing the exhaust on my XB here. Made a video yesterday about the exhaust that I bought. Here's part of it lying on the floor there. And then I got the other part hanging here. I gotta get all this off. I'll show you what I'm working with here. I don't know how good you'll be able to see it. It's still pretty early in the morning. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock, something like that. So I'll show you what my exhaust looks like now. I hope you can see. You can see I had a piece in here because it rotted out. Up there I had a piece in. So it was rotten. I actually had to weld a piece to the muffler because it's just shot, and I had a piece in there for the piece that comes down. And I had to run a piece of wire here to hold this up because it kept dragging on the ground. I haven't had anybody in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back and work my way up, and I'm going to crawl up under here and I'll show you what you got to do. There are, I believe, two. Yeah, there's a, I don't know if you can see it, there's a bracket right here with a rubber bushing on it. Right here, and then there's one up front here, I think, somewhere too. Like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but they have bushings, rubber bushings on them. What you gotta do is, your best thing to do is most of the time the metal's seized inside here. So your best bet is to get whatever you use for like penetrating oil, like WD-40 or something like that, and get a screwdriver and put in between this piece here and that metal piece and pull down and shoot some stuff in there. It'll help you get them off. What I'm going to do is take all these bolts loose and take these clamps off, get this piece of shit muffler off of here, and I'll dig out the new one. I'll show you that. We'll get it hung up in here, then I'll start taking all this crap apart. So I'll bring you back once I get all that tore out. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the exhaust pulled apart. It's about 10:30 in the morning now. I was having some problems getting the bolts out of the manifold, bottom of the thing right here. I had to heat these bolts up and to get them out. The one I didn't think I was going to get out, started stripping, but I was able to beat a socket on it and get them out. So here's the old exhaust. This is the original from when I bought the car brand new, and I replaced from here back about a year and a half, 2 years ago. You can see how fucking shitty it is. It just rotted right out. So this piece here I had to put in there to keep the exhaust together until I could get a new one. But here's the new one. I already got the oxygen sensor put in. They put plugs in here, so you got to take the plugs out and put your oxygen sensors in there. The other one, why they did it I don't know, but it's goes through the floor and the connections inside underneath the carpet. Why the hell Toyota ever did that I don't know, but I just heated it up with the torch and spun it out, and it's hanging under the car. Once I get it put in, I'll hook it back through. But here's the exhaust. Here's the big fart can muffler I'm putting on it. It's got a silencer in it, so hopefully it won't be too loud, but that's all stainless steel, so it'll probably last longer than the rest of it. But yeah, that's it. I'll show you. Here, I'll get up under it and show you how well you'll be able to see that. You can see the manifold there. I had to come in through the top to heat it, so that you can get this bolt right here and that one over there. I had to heat the flange there up so I can get it off. There's a gasket. I don't know if I can even get it from here with the camera, but there's a donut gasket right there on the end. You want to make sure you replace that when you do it. And that thing right there is your where your oxygen sensor hooks. Here's the other one. You can see it goes right through the floor right there. Why the hell they did that, I don't know, but I'll show you up top how you gotta go through so you can get down in there to heat it, because you can't get from up here, you'll burn everything. If I can get my ass up off the ground. You gotta go down through here. I don't know how well you can see, but like right down in there's the thing. You gotta put the torch down through here on this side to get that bolt, and then you gotta come through over here to get that one. But these are your shift cables for your shifter to shift the transmission if you have a standard, which that's what this is. But you just gotta be careful so you don't melt anything in there. So I'm gonna start putting this back together and I'll show you when it's all done. So I'll bring you back then. Guys, it's about 11:25 right now. I just got everything buttoned back up. Crap all over my hair. Figured I'd show you now. Here's that. Yeah, I've got a clamp there. Got the other oxygen sensor in, both the bolts in the front. Got that. I gotta trim the bumper a little bit so that it doesn't, so the muffler don't rub on it. But if you have a car like this, don't ever buy one of these clamps. They're fucking junk. I had to cut it and it's still loose. I can't get it any tighter than that, so you'll have to do, you're better off to buy the $10 one than the more expensive clamp, because it don't work for shit. So just a FYI for you. But there's that. I think we'll give her a start and see how she sounds, and then I can cut out the thing there, the bumper. See if she has any leaks. Alright. Get the keys out of the, I'll find the keys here. Alright guys, here we go. Okay. Pretty good. Well, there you go, guys. Maybe I'll turn you on when I get going down the road, and we'll see how loud she is. Ain't any worse than what it was before, so I'm happy with it. At least there's no leak at the motor anymore. It's been leaking for a long time. So let me shut this off quick. I'll show you what the gasket looked like for there. Here's the what was left of the donut in the front. All it is wire mesh. I bought another one. I thought it was going to be a solid piece, but it's actually like this, and it's got some kind of coating on it, and it's got like carbon in the middle of it here, but that's what went bad. So yeah, we got the garbage off it at least, and we're looking good. So when I go down the road to go home, I'll turn you on for a minute and let you hear what it sounds like. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, here we go. Really ain't that loud, so that's good. Figured I'd bring you along. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.